What's good, YouTube? Today we are going to talk about Coin to Fish, a crypto game to earn money. We will shortly look what you can do inside here and how much you can make from this. So to be able to play this game, you need some Coin to Fish tokens. These you can swap on your MetaMask when you are on the Binance Smart Chain. So I did it like this. I bought some BNB on Binance and sent them to my MetaMask in the Binance Smart Chain, of course, and then just swapped it directly in MetaMask to the Coin to Fish token, and the token you can add with this address here, this contract. And yes, then you have your tokens in your MetaMask. I'm sure you will find a tutorial on how to do that exactly. And then you can play the game. So let's see. You have to first get some in-game tokens from your Coin to Fish token. This you can do here with the exchange. You click on it, and then you would see, when you're connected with your MetaMask, you would see here exactly how many tokens you can transfer into in-game. You see I have two exchanges done already. I first have put in like about 100 Swiss francs, so what is that, $110, and then another 180 or so dollars today. And yes, so then you are buying these corals. This is the in-game currency, and you can see here when you're on the inventory what are your current fishes and your feeding items. So the principle of the game is you can fish with a fishing rod, or you can just buy fishes directly from the marketplace, and your fish is hungry, and every 8 hours at minimum you have to feed him with this seafood or bread or an apple. And you see here some XP. When I feed this fish, for example, with a seaweed, I get +5 experience, so then I would be at 90. And if I feed him with an apple, I get +10, so I would be at 95. So that means if I only feed with bread, for example, I can faster level these fishes. And what do I get from this? If I have a higher level, you earn more money. So how does this exactly work? Every time you feed a fish, you get some corals, the in-game currency. And let's see, if I go here in this, you can see all the info. And here, so you see the type is common. That's the least the least how would you say, rarity level. And here you have chroma bonus. This is null, 0, because this is the normal one. You can have some the same fish, but with let's say his blue or something, then you would maybe have other chroma bonus. Then you will get some more percentage on every feeding you give him from these corals, so you would earn more. And here you see you have to, if you feed him, you get 0.077 corals. And you see this +21 guild. This is a guild is like a community in which you're in with other players, and then you get some bonuses on every feeding, up to 30%, I believe. So yes, that's the ground principle. And yes, so your goal basically is to earn some more in-game currency, and then you can exchange it here later when you want to pay out with withdraw, and then you get it back. So the one thing is, you see your actual fee is 65%. This starts at 70 or 75, I'm not sure, but this will lower every day, every 24 hours to 5%. So tomorrow it would be 60%. Why did they do it like that? So you hold the coins a minimum amount of time. So yeah, that's some business decision from them. So you don't buy and sell immediately afterwards. So you hold the coin. Yeah, it's not, yeah. So it goes down to 5%, and then you can pay out whenever you want. So now, how much can you really make from this? So we have here a calculator. You see, I have now two common fishes on level 1. I have one level 2 super rare, and then I have one rare on level 1 as well. So now we want to calculate that. What can I make from this? So keep in mind, my investment was around $280. So we have here common food. Also good to know is that when you have a higher rarity level, you have to give them more food per one serving. Now this says the same. So a rare would be 3. I have one of, okay. And then the last one, level 2, super rare. And this is 4 per serving. So now let's calculate that. So at the moment I would make around 300 US dollar. This is equal to 150 corals in 30 days. But you have to keep in mind here the costs of the food you give the fishes. So on 30 days you would give about 6,480. You have to pay to feed them. So you can just get, this would be around 134,500 corals. So would be a little bit less than $300 a month, but yeah. So let's see how this pays out, if I really can almost double my money in a month with this or not. Yeah, but looks kind of promising. One thing now I wanted to talk about was this guild. I am in one at the moment. I just joined. You see here we get per serving, we get 31% more experience, and the bonus is 21% than if we would not be in a guild. And yes, so it's only good to be in a guild for everyone. Also the one who created this guild, when you level up, you get some money back if you created the guild. So there's a win-win situation. And yes, maybe let's look at the marketplace and the shop then. Here on the marketplace you can buy fishes. You can sort them by the price. Wow, you can buy, okay, let's make this. No, I'm too late. Let's see if I can buy one. They're really low at the moment. Come on. No. My internet is too slow for that. Okay, we made it. I could just buy one now for 8 corals. That's not much. I paid today for this level. I paid 50. Let's see how much they are now. Okay, they are about the same. But yeah, when I looked 2 hours ago for this this rarity, the common ones, they were 20 each. So now for 8, it's a good deal, I would say. So I have one fish more. And yes, so what one thing more to this, you can buy here also the food. And this is mostly one coral at the moment. Yeah, you see. So yeah, you can also fish them, but will show you that in a second. Now we go to the inventory and see we have our new fish. Okay, we don't have to feed them at the moment. But yeah, that's good. Now let's go to the shop. Here for this part, if you put in my referral code Fabian B, then you can have some discount on everything in the shop here. And yes, you can buy an egg where you can get a fish. Mostly, I think 56% you'll get the common one. So yeah, I would rather buy them. I paid now 8 for one common fish. So, and then you have a rare egg. Then you get most probably a rare one. And yeah, but you can also get the legendary and so on. So you have to know if you want to buy an egg or buy it on the marketplace. Then you have here some fishing rods where you can fish mostly things to eat for the fishes. So seaweed or an apple or something like this. And yes, you could also, if you make it with a fishing rod and not buy it from the marketplace, you would be able to buy some eggs, to fish some eggs or some other things. I don't know how they're called. But yeah, you could fish an egg, but that's a 0.01% chance, I believe. So yes. So I just wanted to show you this new crypto game, and I don't know. At the beginning, I thought, yeah, this is very boring, but now I enjoyed more and more. I want to buy some more fish and more fish, and yeah. So now I have 5 fishes. Maybe we can make another calculation on how much I would now make with my new one. So we have 3 common ones, then we have a rare one, and a super rare, and that makes $333 in a month. That's pretty good with a 280-ish investment. But yeah, let's see if I'm really going to make it much. And yeah, if you start with it, I really would recommend to join a guild to make some extra percentage. And yeah, that was the video. Hope you enjoyed it, and leave a like and subscribe. See you next time. Peace.